Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Watsco's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Watsco is a major player in the HVAC/R distribution market, and their Q1 report provides some interesting insights into their current performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Watsco reported a revenue of $1.53 billion for Q1 2025, which is a slight decrease from last year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. The revenue decline of 2% is primarily due to a decrease in sales across various product categories, including HVAC equipment and commercial refrigeration products. However, it's important to note that despite the revenue dip, Watsco maintained a strong gross profit of $430 million, with an improved gross margin of 28.1%.
That's interesting. How did they manage to improve their margins?
Watsco's margin expansion is attributed to a better sales mix, focusing on higher efficiency products and effective pricing strategies. This has allowed them to capture more value despite the challenging sales environment.
EPS and analyst expectations. Now let's discuss the earnings per share. Watsco reported an adjusted EPS of $1.93, which fell short of the analyst forecast of $2.29. John, what are your thoughts on this?
Indeed, the EPS of 193 cents is below the expectations set by analysts. This shortfall is largely due to increased SG&A expenses and the impact of the ongoing product transition. However, it's worth noting that the company is in the early stages of a significant product shift, which could yield benefits in the longer term.
So, while they missed expectations, there are underlying factors at play.
Exactly. The transition to new A2L refrigerant products is a major undertaking, and while it has short-term impacts, it positions Watsco well for future growth and environmental compliance.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Watsco is undergoing a large-scale product transition. Can you tell us more about this and their strategic initiatives?
Watsco is transitioning to A2L refrigerants, which have lower global warming potential. This transition affects over half of their sales and is expected to drive future growth. Additionally, they've increased their annual dividend by 11% to $12 per share, reflecting confidence in their financial stability.
How is their digital strategy contributing to their market position?
Watsco's digital platforms are a key growth driver, with 67,000 active users. These platforms enhance customer engagement and operational efficiency, contributing to higher sales growth rates among digital users.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook. Watsco reported a negative operating cash flow this quarter. What's behind this?
The negative cash flow of $178 million is primarily due to inventory investments in the new A2L products ahead of the selling season. This is a strategic move to support their customers and capitalize on the upcoming demand.
And what about their long-term growth prospects?
Watsco is well positioned for long-term growth, driven by their technology investments and acquisition strategy. Their scale and product depth, combined with a strong balance sheet, provide a competitive edge in the fragmented HVAC/R market.
Any final thoughts from the CEO?
Yes, CEO Albert Nahmad expressed optimism about the transition to A2L products and the strength in sales and margins, indicating a positive outlook for the upcoming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Watsco's Q1 2025 performance shows resilience amidst a challenging transition period. While they missed EPS expectations, their strategic initiatives and strong balance sheet position them well for future growth. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Watsco's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Watsco's performance in the comments below. Until next time.